Have you ever felt like studying is a never-ending nightmare? Like textbooks and deadlines are piling up on top of you. Here's the secret to success. Every successful student was once in your shoes. But they didn't stop, will you? Today might feel tough, but remember, every minute you spend studying now brings you closer to excellence. Even if you're tired or scattered, remember that every moment of studying is an investment in your future. It might be tempting to postpone studying until tomorrow. Maybe you say, I'm too busy today. I'll start tomorrow. But procrastination is not your friend. Every delay is a missed opportunity, and every day you waste moves you further from achieving your academic dreams. Don't wait for success to come to you without effort. The road to the top is full of challenges, and the pain you're feeling now is just part of the journey. Want to know the real secret to academic success? It's the determination to keep going despite the difficulties. Pain is temporary, but the greatness you achieve will last forever. Think of every study challenge as a chance to get closer to your goals. Every hour you spend studying brings you closer to achieving your desired results. So don't procrastinate, start now, and make every study moment count towards transforming your future. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone who needs a motivational boost in their studies. Thanks for watching.